Hey everyone, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to the 31 Days of Halloween. Today I have a bat-winged liner tutorial for you. I thought it would be so fun to try my hand at this. So I am starting out with my NYX liquid liner. This has a very small, precise brush on it, which made it perfect to create this look. I feel like I had a lot of control and precision here. So you're kind of just taking this out like a normal wing, but on the way out, you're doing two like small upside down C shapes. And then right here, I'm kind of taking it up into the crease, and then I'm going to create that little point like the top of the bat wing. If you guys are doing this, I highly recommend having a reference photo. During this whole entire video, I was looking at a picture of a literal bat wing to try and get you know, the right shape and all of that. So I am not the first person by any means to create this. I actually have had a few pictures of this sitting on my Pinterest board for like the last year or two. So I am not entirely sure who the original makeup artist is that, you know, first ever posted this look. So if you guys do know that, please link that information in the comments below so I can properly credit that person. But I just kind of wanted to try my hand on it and give you guys a little bit of Halloween makeup inspo in case you're not wanting to go all out. This might be kind of a fun, you know, little thing to say, hey, I'm here for the party, but I'm not like going all the way. You know what I mean? I did take the liner all the way into the inner corner and kind of like angle that off. I have no idea why I did that because I know that I hate that look on me. It just makes me look like a crazy person. I feel like my eyes maybe are set closer together, or I don't know what it is, but that look is just not cute on me, okay? So I kind of wish that I didn't do that. I feel like it would have looked a lot better if I didn't. And then the other thing too is I kind of wish that I made the overall line thicker, like right here. If I just like whoosh, like all the way into the inner corner, just made it really thick and like in charge, you know what I mean? But I did not do that. This is what I did. I love the way the bat wing part looked. I just wish I would have made the overall line a little bit thicker and didn't do that weird corner thing in the inside. Like, feel free to do that if that is your vibe, but it's not mine and it doesn't look that cute on me. So enjoy me looking very strange in this video. I feel like this was a relatively easy thing to do. I know a lot of you guys are going to laugh at me, but I really feel like it was not that hard. The longest part was honestly filling the thing in because I felt like I didn't want to go too far outside the lines or like accidentally mess up, because then I'd have to go back and like fix all of my perfect little lines. So filling it in was actually a lot more stressful than even doing the outline. That's why I'm sitting here like trying to perfect and detail and like just to make sure everything is nice and crisp and sharp. I will say though, if you do mess up, don't worry. You'll see me here in just like 5 seconds going in with a concealer brush and cleaning some of this up. So really, really easy and effective way to get sharp lines if you accidentally go outside the original line you created. So pretty easy cleanup if you need to, so don't stress about it if it's not 100% perfect. There are always ways to go in and sharpen things up and crispen up those lines. So yeah, feel free to do that. I would not recommend using a liner that you are not comfortable with. For something like this, you want to use a liquid liner, definitely, but something that you are comfortable using. So the next thing I wanted to do was go in with some purple shades, and I used these right here. I used the Vault Collection palette. I don't know what this is. It's maybe Bling Boss or something like that. You guys know my gripe with purple eyeshadows, but I felt like this look needed it. And between the liner on the inner corner and the purple shadow, your girl was looking a little bit crazy, but that's okay. It's Halloween. All right, once you got your purple shadow on, or any color really, you could do any kind of Halloween color, orange, green, purple, you could just do black, whatever. On the waterline, I'm just taking some black eyeliner, and I am just going to be smudging that on there and then kind of smoking that out into the purple. this look was screaming at me for some glitter, so I just, you know, I gave in. I had to. So we're using the Stila Glitter and Glow. As always, I'll have a full product list down below for you guys so you can see exactly what shade I was using here. I kind of forget off the top of my head, but it will be in the description box. And I kind of lost a little bit of that sharpness on the bottom edge, so I'm just going in with a light hand and like holding my breath so that I don't ruin the whole look at this point. But again, concealer is your best friend if you mess up. And then on the top line, I'm going in with another Stila shadow. This one had a black base, and I just thought this would be perfect on the top line. And I just kind of did this in the center for a little something fun and extra, but I didn't want to take it over the whole thing. So hit those lashes with some mascara, and then we're going to be applying some falsies. But first, more bling. I decided to add a couple little purple stones underneath the eyes, and I felt like that turned out super cute. I'm going to be using these lashes today. I wanted something kind of like, why do I want to say chunky? I guess maybe separated. I don't know. Something a little bit different. So I used these lashes and then broke out my Moonchild palette from Anastasia, and I had to go with this purple highlighter because why not? We had already used a bunch of purple, and I never ever use purple ever. So I was like, you know, if we're going to go for it, we're going to really go for it. Do you want to know something really sad? I know I'm constantly like just trash talking purple makeup. The truth is, I love purple. It is actually one of my all-time favorite colors, but for some reason purple makeup looks like actual trash on me. So, you know, that's my sad little story. Okay, so the look is done now. We are glowing for the gods. They could see us from outer space, and we've got our purple on. We're looking all like cute and kind of gothic, and that's the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to check out my limited edition Halloween merch. It is still for sale. I would love for you guys to check that out, grab a couple things, and join the spooky squad, and I will see you guys tomorrow.